Sakeshwari. I am studying 8th grade in Phoenix Global School.
Glorious morning to everyone. My name is Shavik. I am studying 8th grade in Phoenix Global.
So today's our concept is about Neuralink and we are from Oxford Group. And let us know what is the introduction of Neuralink and the recent developments, advantages and disadvantages of Neuralink by Shardik.
Neuralink is founded by Elon Musk is a forefront development of brain-computer interface technology aiming to revolutionize the way humans interact with the computers as it individuals with neurological disease. Recent developments. In May 2023, the Neuralink received FDA approval from human clinical trials. The first human implication is occurred in January 2024, enabling quadriplegic patients to control a computer cursor with using touch. In May, second patient successfully implanted used for 3D design and video game. The advantages of Neuralink. It helps disabilities with people such movement and touch. It improves learning. Disadvantages of Neuralink. Expensive and not widely known.
So let us know how this brain chip works and what is this Neuralink brain chip. On the schedule model, Satish Android also control the tech titan and the visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk sent shock-waving and groundbreaking messages that was the first implantation of human was successfully running and he is well recovering and the reports are promising. But what's this buzz all about? To know about this, let's go to our past of 2016 when Mr. Elon Musk started his career of Neuralink and with his super developed scientists and engineers. This mission was operated by the battery and wireless mission. And the implantation of Neuralink, which helps people who are suffering with paralysis, can able to walk again. The patients who are suffering from blindness can see again. So let us see how this brain chip works by Kartikeshwari. You see, our blind construct's test special cells is called neurons. This is the reason we can run, study and do dance in every possible thing. It transmits the electrical signals to nerves and muscles. And the main aim of the Neuralink was to develop the brain in computer interface. And the Neuralink can record and read the signals to recall again. So let us know our model. So first, knowing about the model, I want to tell you one thing. The Neuralink project was first successfully launched on a monkey, which is playing now is little video games on a little cursor of screen. So let us see how this brain chip works as a model. So this is a dead body of a human brain which contains 2 hours of this information. And we can see here the light is glowing. That means in this brain it contains information which is in this body. And we can see here this is unstable person which is mental person which doesn't have any information. By the implantation of Neuralink which is inserted to our brain can collect the information and can be sent to the next part of the brain, and it receives the implantation of Neuralink which collects all information from this brain to this brain, and this brain stops glowing and this starts glowing. So this is our model regarding Neuralink. Thank you for being awesome, my dear friends. Have a nice day with your family and friends. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. This is Mahida from 9th grade in Phoenix Global School. Hi everyone, my name is Abraham. I am studying 7th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Oxford Group.
Present. Good morning, one and all. My name is Hempurna. I am studying 7th grade in Phoenix Global School. I'm studying in fifth grade in King's Global School. Good health and well-being are essential for fulfilling life. It involves a holistic approach. It includes physical fitness, mental stability, and emotional resilience, and a balanced lifestyle. Here are some key aspects of good health and well-being. Physical health, regular exercise and cardio, regular medical checkups are crucial for maintaining physical health. Mental well-being, mental health is as important as physical and mental, emotional well-being. Emotional health, being able to understand and manage and express emotions, have positively and have a support system. Health lifestyle choice. Avoid harmful habits like smoking, excessive drinking, and watching TV and eating chips. What is good habits? Eat healthy foods and doing exercise like cycling, skipping, etc. Preventive health care, regular screenings and adopting care about the physical and mental. Social corrections. It have belonging the social of striving good health and well-being is essential for fulfilling life. Now my friend will continue.
Balanced diet. Eat nutritious food. Eat include a variety of dairy products, fruits and vegetables, pulses and grains, and healthy fats. Regular exercise, cardio, enhanced activities like cycling, skipping, and schedules to boost your heart health. And strength training, incorporate weight to muscle and bone strength to boost your heart health. And sleep environment, consider 7 to 9 hours to going to bed early and waking up early in the morning. Sleep environment, keeping your bedroom cool by reducing noise and light. Mindful, stress management, identifying your stress management in your daily life and protect them in a technique way. Now I will explain model. Avoid the harmful habits like smoking, drinking, and eat healthy food. Eat healthy food like eating vegetables and cycling. Drink a plenty of water and portion control. Be mindful to decrease overeating. Next, my friend will continue.
Emotional well-being, positive relationships, surrounding yourself with support and positive people. Emotional awareness, recognition and expression your emotional healthy way. Self-care, energy is activity to bringing your joy and relation, preventing healthcare. Regular checkups, schedules, routine and maintaining your well-being. Vaccine, stay up to date, recommended and vaccine. Screening, participating in age appropriating to health screening, elections of decision. Healthy habits avoid like smoking, drinking, exercise, composition and recreation. Safe practice. Practice is the very good recommended and vaccine. Avoid harmful preventing healthcare, balanced work, legislative and personal, your well-being, maintaining your well-being. Next, my friend will continue.
Good health and well-being are essential for fulfilling life. It involves a holistic approach, physical fitness and mental stability, emotional resilience, balanced lifestyle. Conjunct learning good. Lifelong engage and activity challenges your mind such as reading pleasure to learning new skills. Personal development. incorporating these steps into your daily lifestyle. Each balanced actions fundamental to team long health and well-being. Thank you.
Thank you, Wanda. Have a nice day.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. My name is Dianwar. I am studying 6th grade in Phoenix Global School.
Hi everyone, my name is Sashmit. I am studying 8th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Oxford Group.
Hi everyone, my name is Manoj. I am studying 5th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Oxford Group. Hi everyone, my name is Mukunda. I am studying 5th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Oxford Group. Today we are going to explain about no poverty. No poverty is a term that encompasses the goal of eradicating extreme poverty and reducing overall poverty in all its forms globally. It is one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, specifically SDG 1. Key aspects of no poverty. Eradicating extreme poverty, defined as living on less than $1.90 a day, according to the World Bank. Goal to ensure that no one lives in extreme poverty by 2030. Extreme poverty recognizes that poverty to basic services such as education, healthcare, water sanitation, and housing, ensuring social protection systems, establishing and expanding social protection systems for the poor and vulnerable, equal rights to economic resources, defined as ensuring ownership and control over land and other forms of property, inheritance, and financial services, including microfinance. Now, I will explain my model. Causes of no poverty. Causes of poverty. It causes unemployment and people here are playing carom board because of unemployment and child labor and price rise, homelessness, lack in effective utilization of resources, and big famine. Now my friend will continue.
Why having no poverty is important? Why poverty is important? Having no poverty is critical for combating economic and social investment and social discrimination. Basic human rights. Poverty designs the people with basic human rights, including the rights to food, shelter, and education. Eradicating poverty designs the people with the self-respect and social discrimination. Economic growth. Economic growth is lifted out of poverty, which can contribute more efficiency. Economic benefits. Poverty contribute more equality and corporates the gender equality. Health improvement. Poverty designs the people with basic human rights. It's health improvement, nutrition and poor health outcomes. Global responsibility. As a global citizen, there is a moral responsibility to ensure that all people have opportunities to learn free from poverty. See, here some people are now. This is the difference for this village is in the poverty and this is not in the poverty. This city is fully developed. This is the developing city. Now here are some poor houses are there in these developed houses. My friend will continue.
No poverty. No poverty is a term that encompasses the goal of eradicating extreme poverty and reducing it all its forms globally. It is one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, specifically SDG 1. Key aspects of no poverty. Eradicating extreme poverty. Defined as no one lives in less than $1.90 per day, according to the World Bank. Goal.
ensure that no one lives in extreme poverty by all 2030. The public distribution system. The public distribution system is a a government program that distributes essential commodities like food grains, wheat, rice, and kerosene to the poor at subsidized prices. Speeding economic growth, creating jobs, increasing incomes, and encouraging investments. Rural growth, agricultural development, rural infrastructure, rural industries. Poverty elevation, direct cash transfers, subsidized services, social safety nets. Infrastructure development, transport infrastructure, utility infrastructure, urban development. Non-farm employment, promoting small and medium enterprises, tourism development, skill development, administration to assets, land reforms, credit facilities, and technology access, human resource development, education, healthcare, and vocational training. Next, my friend will continue.
No poverty. No poverty is a term that encompasses the goal of eradicating extreme poverty in all its forms globally. It is one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), specifically SDG 1. Key aspects of no poverty: eradicating extreme poverty. Extreme poverty defined as living on less than $1.90 a day, according to the World Bank. Goal to ensure that no one in extreme poverty by 2030. Public distribution system. The public distribution system (PDS) is a government program that distributes essential commodities like food grains, wheat, rice, sugar, and kerosene to the poor at subsidized prices. Speeding economic growth, creating jobs, increasing incomes, encouraging investments. Rural growth, agriculture development, rural infrastructure, rural industries. Poverty elevation, direct cash transfer, subsidized services, social safety nets. Infrastructure development, transport infrastructure, utility infrastructure, urban development. Non-farm employment, promoting small and medium enterprises. Admittance to assets, promoting small and medium enterprises. Credit facilities, tourism development, skill development, admittance assets. Credit facilities, land reforms, credit facilities, technology assets, human resources development, education, healthcare, vocational training.
Now I am explaining about chart. Education is only weapon to defeat no poverty.